Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wise Academy. Allow me to introduce Mr. Lalwani, a retired businessman with two sons, Mukesh and Anil. Over his lifetime, Mr. Lalwani accumulated some savings. Seeking to distribute his wealth to his sons for them to manage according to their preferences, he decided to give each son 1 crore rupees. Both sons, being financially savvy, chose to invest rather than spend. Anil opted to invest his entire sum in real estate, aiming for rental income post-retirement. On the contrary, Mukesh, always intrigued by the stock market, invested 1 crore rupees there. It's fascinating to observe who earns more and the effort they put in. In India, when it comes to significant investments, property has been a common choice. This is because ancestral property has proven to appreciate over the years, resulting in substantial monthly rental income. In our country, financial freedom often correlates with owning land or multiple flats generating rental income. Moreover, no matter how much returns one garners from the stock market or through compounding, parents and relatives are typically more impressed when you invest in property. This video is special, and you can even share it with your parents, as property remains their favored investment. Having personally invested in both options, I've gained insight into the nuances. In this video, I'll discuss the small yet crucial realizations that people often only grasp after many years. It's an important and practical video, so be sure to watch it till the end. I'll present the benefits of both options, and in the end, you can share your thoughts in the comments on which option you find better. Anil chose to purchase a property worth 1 crore, generating a rental income of 25,000 rupees. The first advantage of property investment is the immediate flow of rental income after the investment. Friends and relatives also appreciate the decision, acknowledging the wisdom in buying property. The second advantage is the tangible asset it represents, contributing to one's overall lifestyle. Unlike purchasing shares, owning property allows you to live in it and showcase it. Shares only give you a part of the company's profit on paper. Nowadays, with mobile apps like Angel Broking, stock trading can be done without brokerage fees. After acquiring the property, Anil experienced a sense of peace. Investing in property isn't just about money, it's also about peace of mind. Each new property adds a different sense of satisfaction. The third benefit of investing in property is the financial security it provides, as property prices tend to appreciate, ensuring stable future income. The fourth benefit is that a high level of education is not a prerequisite for earning in real estate. Lastly, the fifth and best benefit, in my opinion, is that property isn't easily bought and sold like stocks. Once purchased, your money is locked, and people usually don't sell in emergencies. Whether the property has a low or high rate, you still benefit from its compounding. While real estate may not have the same compounding power as stocks, it allows people to build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and make lasting impressions. If you think I missed any benefits, let me know in the comments. Now let's shift our focus to Mukesh, who invests in stocks. After thorough research, Mukesh decided to invest in 10 different high-quality companies, creating a robust stock portfolio. Let's delve into the unique benefits of stock investment. The first benefit is that when you buy a property, you incur a 7% stamp duty, a 1% registration charge, and brokerage fees. In contrast, the cost of buying stocks is almost zero. Earlier, brokerage fees were applicable, but with platforms like Angel Broking, which provide commission-free trading, Mukesh doesn't bear the additional costs associated with property investment. The platform has emerged where you don't have to pay brokerage fees, annual maintenance fees, or any hidden fees, a completely free stock market app. The platform known as Angel Broking offers commission-free forever for stocks, mutual funds, and every category. This may raise the question of how they make money if everything is free. The answer is clear: through commission-free trading. Despite the absence of brokerage fees, there are still small fees for government and exchange transactions when buying or selling stocks. You have to pay Security Transaction Tax, STT, at a rate of 0.1% when buying stocks. This cost is inevitable for anyone buying stocks in India, regardless of the broker or app. For shares worth Rs 10 lakhs, the fee is Rs 1,000. Additionally, there are a few other minor charges applicable to all brokerage platforms in India. While these fees are small, it's crucial to understand them. Let's calculate these fees for a better understanding. If I buy shares worth Rs 1 crore with no brokerage fees on this platform, the total cost, including all taxes and charges, is just Rs 10,000. This is because the major part of the cost goes to the government and the exchange. In comparison, if you were to buy a property worth Rs 1 crore, you would spend almost Rs 10 lakhs on stamp duty, registration and brokerage fees. In conclusion, angel broking provides commission-free trading, and even with these small fees is significantly cost-effective compared to traditional brokerage platforms. Investing in the stock market with just 1 crore incurs an almost Rs 10,000 fee, which is 100 times less. The first advantage of stocks is that there is no hidden cost, whether it's during or after buying. In contrast, in property, there are additional expenses even after buying, often overlooked by many. The second benefit of stocks is that even after buying, there is no maintenance cost. In India, the average rental yield is 3%, indicating the percentage of the property's price obtained throughout the year. However, this entire yield may not come to the owner due to costs like water, cleaning, and security, reducing the actual income. Stocks provide a more straightforward investment approach with a lower income difference. Yet, the most crucial factor is growth. Stocks offer the potential for significant growth through compounding. In the financial world, many people underestimate consistent compounding and the big picture in stocks, which have consistently grown at rates of 18, 20, 25% for many years. In this video, we won't expect more than 15% from the stock market, as the Sensex has grown at a rate of 15% in the last few decades. However, the stock market's potential for growth goes beyond this, challenging the notion that beating Sensex is difficult. This video emphasizes the importance of understanding these aspects in the financial world. The property also has an index tracking property price in different Indian cities. From 2010 to 2019, there was a growth rate of 7%, but from 2010 to 2023, it's only a 5% growth rate, less than 10%. Hence, in the long term, better returns can be expected from the stock market, as it includes India's top 30 companies. If property prices and investments were more lucrative, top business figures like Ambani, Tata, and Birla would invest all their wealth in property rather than running successful businesses. Considering jobs and affordability, stocks remain at the top of the economic pyramid and should be managed effectively. Property ownership entails challenges such as collecting rent, registering agreements, and being tied to one location. Selling property urgently might result in losses, and during market crashes, the decline in property value might not be immediately visible. The fifth significant advantage of the stock market is the ability to diversify even with a small investment. It opens up the debate on whether investing in one property is riskier than investing in multiple stocks and an index. From a broader perspective, both options create wealth and generate income. While there's no significant difference between stock and real estate wealth creation, the crucial question arises: how many people inherit 1 crore rupees? For many, starting with small amounts, property investment often involves loans, leading to stress and hindering decision-making. The stock market provides an opportunity to start building wealth directly without the burden of a loan. Investing according to one's capacity is possible, making it accessible to those who haven't received large inheritances. In conclusion, creating wealth in the stock market requires knowledge and financial acumen. Trading out of greed often leads to wasted money. The stock market ensures dividend income on time, defining real financial freedom. Share your thoughts in the comments on how you would handle a crore rupee. If you plan to invest a significant amount, let me know where you would invest it, in stocks or properties. If you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends and family for financial education. Like or dislike the video based on your opinion. Thank you for your valuable time, and goodbye.